Hello everyone, we are Magnetism. Today, we have a special project, how to craft a Mercedes truck and Caterpillar 330D excavator from magnetic balls ASMR video. We will need to use magnetic balls in 6 main colors, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, with 13,300 balls of each color, along with several hundred white and black magnetic balls for decoration. Prepare 5mm thick Formex sheet to create a foundation to ensure the house doesn't collapse. Also, have your paper cutting tools, scissors, glue, and colored paper ready for decoration. Pay close attention as I demonstrate how to create the blocks and use different colors, then follow along. Once upon a time, in a small mouse village, there lived two adventurous mice named Max and Milo. They were known throughout the village for their curiosity and love for building things. One sunny morning, as they strolled through the village square, they noticed a peculiar poster that caught their attention. The poster depicted a magnificent Mercedes truck and a powerful Caterpillar 330D excavator made entirely of shiny magnetic balls. It announced a competition to see who could create these incredible vehicles. The grand prize was a magical cheese that was said to be the tastiest in the world. Max and Milo exchanged excited glances and immediately decided to enter the competition. With their tiny paws full of determination, they set off on their epic adventure. Their journey took them through dense forests, across swift-flowing rivers, and up steep mountains. Along the way, they encountered various challenges, from navigating through dark tunnels to outsmarting clever foxes. But their unwavering teamwork and clever thinking always led them to victory. As they reached the final destination, they were greeted by a vast open field where the competition would take place. They saw other mouse teams hard at work, crafting their magnetic ball vehicles with precision and care. Max and Milo began crafting their Mercedes truck and Caterpillar 330D excavator. They used their knowledge of magnetic ball structures and worked tirelessly, enjoying every moment of the creative process. Hours turned into days, but they didn't give up. Finally, as the sun dipped below the horizon on the third day, Max and Milo stood back to admire their creations. Their Mercedes truck gleamed with elegance, and the Caterpillar 330D excavator radiated strength. The judges were impressed by their craftsmanship, and Max and Milo were declared the winners of the competition. They received the magical cheese, which indeed turned out to be the tastiest they had ever eaten. With their heads held high, Max and Milo returned to their mouse village, where they were celebrated as heroes. They had not only won the competition but also proven that with determination, teamwork, and a bit of creativity, any adventure could become a grand success. And so, the two adventurous mice, Max and Milo, continued to inspire their village with their incredible stories and their boundless enthusiasm for crafting magnificent creations out of magnetic balls. The vehicle created by Max and Milo, the two adventurous mice, was nothing short of extraordinary. Crafted entirely from magnetic balls, their Mercedes truck was a shining masterpiece that left everyone in awe. The sleek and elegant design of the truck made it stand out in any crowd. Its body sparkled with a chrome-like finish, reflecting the sunlight like a jewel. The magnetic ball seamlessly formed the contours of the vehicle, creating a flawless exterior. The wheels, made entirely of smaller magnetic balls, looked incredibly realistic, right down to the tiniest details. As you opened the doors, you were greeted by a luxurious interior. The seats were plush and comfortable, with intricate stitching and detailing. The dashboard was a marvel of magnetic ball engineering. buttons that appeared to be straight out of a real Mercedes truck. Max and Milo's attention to detail extended to every part of the vehicle. The headlights and taillights glowed with a soft, mesmerizing light. Even the side mirrors and windshield wipers were meticulously crafted from magnetic balls, showcasing their dedication to perfection. But what truly made their Mercedes truck astonishing was its functionality. With a gentle push, the doors swung open, revealing an interior that was spacious and versatile. The truck's cargo area could be loaded with magnetic bulk crates, making it both practical and stylish. As if that wasn't enough, Max and Milo's truck also had a hidden surprise. With the press of a button on the magnetic bulky fob, the truck transformed into a remote-controlled marvel. It could zoom around, make precise turns, and even perform magnetic bull tricks that left onlookers amazed. The Mercedes truck created by Max and Milo was not just a vehicle, it was a work of art, a technological marvel, and a testament to their creativity and craftsmanship. It was a symbol of what could be achieved with a bit of imagination and a whole lot of magnetic balls. And as the two adventurous mice drove their masterpiece through the mouse village, they couldn't help but smile, knowing they had created something truly special.